食饱未？食饱未？
Words of greeting can be a difficulty for foreigners. We will study a number of them.
夠早
Means you're around early. Another expression of greeting is
你食飽未？
it means did you eat yet? And is used only near the time of meals. Except in the case of a guest coming to visit after a long trip. No matter what the hour, the host will show great concern as to whether he has eaten. If a person who has not yet eaten visits a home, when asked,
食飽未？
he will ordinarily answer,
食飽啊！
in order to spare the host the trouble of treating him to a meal.
1977年，美國 NASA 發射2個太空探測器，頭一個發射的號做
Voyager 2,
第二個發射的號做
Voyager 1.
這2個太空探測器攏有紮一塊金唱片，佇唱片內底有一寡地球上萬物的圖片甲聲音，閣有55種人類的語言講的小照問。這55種語言是按因的英語名稱頭一個英文字母來排的，下問話是排佇第二個。伊是安尼講的：
太空朋友，恁好，恁食飽未？有閒就來阮遮坐哦。
這幾句話，因 NASA 甲伊翻做英語是
Friends from space, how are you all? Have you eaten yet? Come visit us if you have time.
其中
Have you eaten yet?
就是恁食飽未的意思。台語日常的小照問，透早是講夠早，日時台語甲下問話共款，嘛是講你食飽未？日時啊，佇路呢甲人相拄，小照問講食飽未？這甲等頭是共一個意思。禮貌上，咱毋管有食也是也未，攏應講食飽啊，都會用的。嘛會使閣問對方食飽未？咱若是去人兜拜訪，主人小照問講食飽未？一般來講，上好嘛是應講食飽啊，因為有的人誠好客，若是應講也未，伊可能即時就會無閒去傳酒菜咧。若是講食飽未，干那佇咧接近一般正頓的時，才會當講的。普通人干那並無這款限制。毋過，若總有人是為外口較遠的所在來到遮，因為有當時啊佇路呢會無法度食飯，所以直接伊的人攏會加問食飽未？迄毋管是啥物時陣，都是正經地問食飯未？這是關心你腹肚的枵未？甲禮貌性一個小照問毋是共一個意思。